YouTube. And as you can see right here, this is a kind of worn out box, and it's basically Eibach springs. In this case, it's a Pro Kit. Now, this is for a car that I no longer have. This has been in my garage for the past 4 years. And before I open this up, I'm going to kind of explain to you how I came across these springs. Like I said, 4 years ago, I used to have another car I was working on. It was a 2000 Acura TL Type S. It had a 3.2 liter V6 in it. Made about 250 horsepower stock. It was a pretty good car. I ended up selling it for double the price I bought it for. So I just couldn't pass it up, so I sold it. And I was going to put lowering springs on it, and I bought this, and I forgot about it. It's been in the garage for 4 years. You can see it's kind of weathered out. It was from all the humidity and damp in the garage and all this. And before I open it up, I'm going to explain to you what kind of springs they are and what they fit and how much they lower the car. Okay, now these taller ones are for the rear. You can see right here. It says Eibach on them. And number. Same here. These shorter ones are the fronts. They were never installed. So they're basically new. Just a little, has dust on them because they've been sitting in a box for 4 years. Now they're progressive. That means they drive pretty much normal, just a little stiffer. And when you drive harder, they stiffen up and make your car handle better. These will work with stock struts, but they recommend you put a quality strut like a Coney, or they got Eibach ones. But you can get away with driving with the stock struts if you want to do that, if you want to save a little money. You might need a camber kit, but then again, you might not. Depends on the application. With these particular springs, it will lower the car 1.5 front and 1.5 rear. The sport lines will lower it more, but then you'll definitely have to have a alignment kit to put with these to get the alignment in spec so you don't eat up your tires. And these particular springs work with 1998, the 2002 Honda Accords, the 4-door and 2-door ones with the V6. And it also works on the 1998, the 2002 Acura TL Type S with the V6, with the 3.2 liter V6. And the thing about these is, since I no longer have the car, I'm going to sell these. And I'll just take my losses, because when I first bought these, they were about $260 with free shipping. I'm going to sell these off to, for whoever comes, first come, first serve. I'm selling them for $130. So these may not last long. I'm going to be putting them on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to be putting them on my Instagram page, and make a few bucks off of this. Like I said, I was going to do a lot to that Acura, but since I no longer have it, I might as well have someone else enjoy working on their car, make it look better, throw some 18s on there. These springs, no wheel gap, perfect. So I know y'all want to see my Ford Taurus stuff. I'll be back to that soon. I'm ordering a lot more stuff next week. But until then, I'll see ya.